Hi, thanks for joining today. My name is Stephen Latham, and we're going to talk today a little bit about the difference between the Buy America and Buy American Act. The Buy American Act typically applies to purchases by the federal government being directly purchased for federal buildings or facilities, such as U.S. highways. It requires 51% of the final product components to be made in the United States. The Buy America Act, generally applicable to state and local government projects, typically when funded by the Federal Transit Authority or the FTA, requires 100% of the supply components or construction materials to be made in the United States. Traditional Plasti-Bond products comply with Buy American Act. If your project requires the use of 100% domestic product, please let us know at the time of the quote so we can accommodate. Upon request, domestic certifications can be provided at the time of order. Thank you for joining today, and if you need any more information about this, please visit Plasti-Bond.com.